guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, this is another hair review, and in this video, today's video is sponsored by FashionPlus Hair. So I want to say thank you FashionPlus Hair for sponsoring today's video. They sent over a headband wig and sent over a lot of headbands for me to try today, so I'm super excited to show you guys. And I think it was like at least 5 headbands, so they gave us a good amount, period. The wig that they sent me was their 18-inch wet and wavy headband wig that was also 150% density, and for it to just be that density, I believe that it was very full and thick to work with. So I highly recommend this wig to you guys. So if you're interested to purchase this wig, check out the link down below in my description box to check out the full details of this wig. And yeah, in this video I decided to do 4 different ways to style this wig so I can show you guys how versatile this wig is, because that's what we like to see. So yes, thank you again to FashionPlus Hair from Amazon for sponsoring today's video.
Ryan Little.
Japan.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Back more, I don't know why you love me, yeah. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else but you. Nobody else would make this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do.
Staring at the water, looking like a bunch of saddies. Looking through my eyes, and all you see is motherfuckers static. Toe tagging, bitch, I'm bagging up the road. No ratting to the pole, acting like a shot. Treating the Latin quote across my fucking throat. Hoes go, oh no. Heard this motherfucker like to get buried. Those are not know if I want to go within me. If I to be into me, so gave her the number to my phone. Told her dial up 666. Bitch, you need to get a hold of me. And hopefully, she'll give me a call, but she is home and free and lonely. Phone rang twice, but I missed both calls. I was hanging in the hall toll free. Hello.
Got a pocket full of stones, watching Game of Thrones. Bitches on the phone telling me she home alone. Motherfucker future counting down till I die. Days roll by, I just wanna get high. Never ever sober, need drugs for my composure. Looking like I'm dying, laying back on the sofa. 6 feet deep, 3 gold teeth, 0 fucking hoes.
Okay guys, so that's the end of today's video. If you made it this far, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram at YouKnowYourShy. It is always listed on the right corner of my screen. And yeah, thank you again to FashionPlus Hair from Amazon for sponsoring today's video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Laters.